You think TikTok's cool? Wait till you see an entire app only for AI videos. No human shootings, only imagination made real. Let me show you how this changes everything. Today, we're talking about OpenAI's brand new project, SORA-2, or as people already call it, the TikTok of AI videos. I'll tell you what it is, why everyone's freaking out about it, and how you can actually get in, because right now it's invite only. So here's the deal. SORA-2 is basically an app where every video is generated by AI. You don't film anything. You just type your idea, and the system turns it into a crazy realistic short video. The quality is insane. Realistic faces, perfect lighting, emotions, motion, like something straight out of a Hollywood studio. You can even create your own digital avatar, and in this app, they're called cameos. It looks, moves, and talks just like you, only it's all AI. You can star in any scene, any world, any story you can imagine. And get this, even Sam Altman, the creator of OpenAI, made his own cameo and posted it inside the app. People are already mixing his avatar into their videos, doing collabs, creating wild storylines. It's next-level creativity. You can literally generate a video with the founder of OpenAI in it. Crazy, right? The feed looks just like TikTok, vertical videos, endless scroll. But there's one big twist. Everything you see was created by AI. Every clip is unique, every face can be synthetic, every story can be something that never existed before. The app even has watermarking and safety systems to mark AI content. But the realism is unreal. And this is just version 2. Imagine what's coming next. It honestly feels like a peek into the future, where your creativity doesn't need cameras or actors, just ideas. Right now, SORA-2 is still in invite-only mode. Each person gets 4 invite codes to share. I'll drop my code in the comments below. Grab it fast, and if you get in, please post your own invites so others can join too. Let's build this chain together. Share, connect, create. This is just the beginning of the AI video revolution. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. I've got a ton of mind-blowing AI content on the way. And now, check out a few of the videos that were fully generated by SORA-2. They'll blow your mind.